Alright, we are back for the single break of the gold standard. First things first, going to generate the roster for this break. Here are the 16 names I bought into the single break. Going to go to random.org, start a new list, and we'll randomize it 5 times. Number 1, 2, 3, 4, and here's the one that counts. Copy that list. And this is for Group A. Paste that into the groups as we had them on the website. And we'll go back and do the same for Group B. Start a new list. Going to randomize Group B 5 times as well. Number 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And we're going to paste that against Group B as we have on the website. And 1 second while we format that. Alright, we'll print that out and go over it quick, and then we'll get this single break started. Alright, here is Group A for the single break. And Group B. And here's the box for tonight. Keeping track at home, this is the number 14 box out of the 15 in the case. The last one will be next Tuesday, the team break. And we just ordered another 15 box case that came today, so we're going to keep at it with the gold standard. Been having a lot of good luck, and everybody seems to like it, so. And of course, we'll keep doing the new 2012 product as it comes out. Alrighty, up first for the Steelers, Ben Roethlisberger. This one going to Mike T. Numbered 130 out of 299. For the Eagles, Nnamdi Asomugha. Eagles are going to Vincent B. And this one is numbered 26 out of 299. For the Dolphins, rookie Mike Pouncey. Dolphins are going to James B. This one numbered 174 out of 299. For the Steelers, Heath Miller. Another one for Mike. This one is a short print, numbered 10 out of 10. The last one made. Nice hit, Michael. For the Bucks, rookie Ahmad Black. Bucks are going to Scott P. Now this one numbered 166 out of 299. Gold Leaf Stars for the Texans, Andre Johnson. Texans are going to John M. This one numbered 68 out of 299. Gold Rush for the Giants, Ahmad Bradshaw. Giants are going to Scott P. This one is number 203 out of 299. First hit, legend jersey patch for the Minnesota Vikings, Fran Tarkenton, Hall of Famer. Vikings are going to Alan M. And this should be a short print, and it is 14 out of 99. Another one for the Vikings. Very nice. Adrian Peterson prime patch. That one in 3 colors. Nice yellow stitching. Nice right corner. This one should be a short print, and it is 21 out of 25. Vikings going to Allen. Give you another look at that one, Allen. Very nice. For the New York Giants, Jarrell Jernigan, rookie on card auto. Nice 2-color patch. Giants tonight are going to Scott P. Nice hit, Scott. This one numbered 302 out of 525. For the Buccaneers, rookie Daquan Bowers. Bucks are going to Scott P. This one is numbered 104 out of 499. And up last for the Baltimore Ravens, rookie autograph, Anthony Allen. The Ravens are going to Joseph R. This one is numbered 447 out of 499. Thanks everybody for getting in the breaks tonight. We're done for tonight and back at it tomorrow night with 3 different breaks. So if you haven't done so already, take a look and scoop one up, and we'll see you tomorrow night.